Okay, Birdie, I guess you want to get run over? Wow. Shoot, it's starting to rain on me. I don't want my stuff to get wet. My stuff isn't waterproof. My camera's not waterproof. My sound recorder's not waterproof. I just hope it doesn't rain too hard. Here comes the rain. This is the part where everyone drives like a maniac. I don't know why. The heck, just flying out like that. Oh my gosh, that was the bumpiest bump ever. Oh, that scared me so much. Watch out for the bike. Thank you. That car is like booking it. Dang. Wow, crazy driver. It's 35. I'm going 40. Okay, that car must be going like 60. That was nice. Some people think bikers are scary, but we're really nice people. Catch up to the biker. Kinda. I'm not really trying that bad. And I've got a truck tailgating me. Another pickup truck tailgating me. What is with these pickup trucks? Trying not to brake too suddenly because this truck is right on me. Something wrong with my clutch, I think. It's just starting up really weird. That's the truck that was tailgating me right there. Now he's tailgating that car. Whoa!